Usumiso isikhathi esilinganiselwe eminyakeni emibili lomjaho ngenxa yokubhedwa kobhubhane lesifo iCovid-19 ungabibikho esimweni esikahle kwemgwaqo ucishe kwaba yiyona mbangela yokuthi lomjaho ungaqali kabusha. Kodwa abalimi bendawo kanye nosomabhizinisi banquma ukuthi bazibambele mathupa balungisa umgwaqo.
Currently we've sit with a situation where the government is neglecting the responsibility. We got some of the agricultural businesses to take part in it where they sponsored asphalt. We basically fixed in the vicinity of 700 potholes and we used almost 1,000 bags of asphalt.
Abahlele lomjaho bathi kubalulekile ukuthi lo mgwaqo besesimweni esikahle ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabasubathi.
This year is the first one we can do after COVID, and as you see, all the potholes in the road and the grasses was cut by the farmers.
This race is with us for 28 years now, and I'm here with this race for 28 years. This, we do it for the community, for South Africa. There's many people coming from around South Africa, even from overseas.
Njengoba kulungiswa umgwaqo, abahleli balomjaho banethemba lokuthi uzoba impumelelo.